It's such fucking garbage. The rest of these girls, they're legit. This I'm not sure about. This Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill said, "Are you a bot or real like me? Because right now, a lot of people are doing scam by making 3 to 4 fake profile of the same girl." Bad English, so that's a little fucking, $300 scam successful with me. When I take promotion by following these fake profiles, I don't get any result. Did something like this happen to you? Clearly a fucking scam. So I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? And then they just go on and on. All the comments and messages that come in our photos are done with fake profile. Like they're calling out other scammers, which is pretty funny because yes, if you post on Instagram, you'll get fucking, and you use the right tags, you'll get fucking hundreds of fucking comments. I get them too. You get hundreds of comments of promoted on, fucking OnlyFans _ DM USPA fucking bullshit. All these fucking scam accounts to, get you to get you to fucking go to these sites or channels and fucking, give them money. It's such fucking garbage. But yeah, this one's calling out other scammers, which is funny. They're like, all they are scammers. By the way, how's your OnlyFans going? And I was just, I just gave him a fucking, there's tons of scammers all over the place in OnlyFans world. I don't do OnlyFans. I do a podcast where I interview cam girls, and they didn't fucking respond. So, clearly they're a fucking scammer. But you go to their fucking page, and it's kind of interesting. 10,000 followers, and it's a guy and girl. It's a guy and girl at first. Yeah, I mean, this page can, it seems like it could be legit. I mean, they got an OnlyFans. This is the thing I found interesting is a lot of these scammers actually put together an OnlyFans page. So that's interesting. And this one seems, this is a better scam, I would say, for the scammers because, hey, I'm not trying to promote scammers, but, they seem legit. And, they seem like they are, doing their own thing. They're not some fucking, scamming organization or some shit. But I'm sure that's what they would fucking link you to whatever scam organization. But yeah, nothing's fucking organic or anything. It's just the same shit. Fucking, beautiful, gorgeous, blah, blah, blah. Amazing profile, love it. Send me your OnlyFans link in inbox, babe. Like, here's all these fucking scam fucking bullshits. DM Lamey bag. These scams are fucking, they're everywhere. They're out of hand. And all of this can be avoided if you just do like 2 seconds of research. And I think a lot of people fall for this shit because they want to get their shit out there and they see fucking, 238,000 followers. But if you go to this, it's fucking private. How the fuck are they promoting you? There's no such thing as OnlyFans promotion companies, all right? There just isn't. Because for the simple fact that customers and people that want to buy, adult-related content, they don't follow these fucking, they don't want, just some fucking aggregated fucking just a bunch of pictures of random girls. They're clearly looking for something. Like, guys don't fucking follow this shit.